Welcome to a journey through automotive history. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most iconic cars of the 1950s, the 1955 Chevy Bel Air. This timeless classic embodies the spirit of post-war America, where style and performance came together to create something truly special. Inside this retro-inspired showroom, we'll explore every detail of this beautifully restored machine. The 1955 Chevy Bel Air, finished in a striking turquoise and white two-tone paint, was a revolution in car design. The bold use of chrome, the distinctive front grille, and the round headlights gave it a personality like no other car of its time. Every curve and line was crafted to make a statement of elegance, luxury, and modernity. From the white-wall tires to the signature tail fins, the Bel Air was a car that captured attention wherever it went, becoming a cultural icon. But the Bel Air wasn't just about looks, it had the power to back it up. Under the hood, the 1955 model could be equipped with Chevy's first-ever V8 engine, producing impressive performance for the era. This engine represented a shift toward power and speed in American cars, allowing drivers to experience the thrill of the open road like never before. The meticulously restored engine you see here, with its gleaming chrome and precision-tuned parts, is a testament to the craftsmanship of the 1950s. Step inside, and you're transported back to an era of elegance and simplicity. The two-tone turquoise and white upholstery perfectly complements the car's exterior, creating a cohesive design inside and out. The bench seats offer a sense of space and comfort, and every detail on the chrome-accented dashboard is a nod to the design philosophy of the time, making driving a stylish and enjoyable experience. From the large steering wheel to the retro gauges, the interior of the Bel Air was a blend of luxury and practicality, designed to make every journey a pleasure. Though the technology of the 1950s may seem simple today, at the time, these features were a glimpse into the future. The Bel Air came equipped with an AM radio, a luxury feature that made long drives more enjoyable. The analog speedometer and chrome-trimmed controls were designed to be both functional and fashionable, creating a sense of modernity in every aspect of the car. It was this balance of style and innovation that made the 1955 Chevy Bel Air a standout in its era. As we take a look at the rear of the car, the iconic tail fins and chrome bumper remind us why the 1955 Bel Air has become a collector's dream. These design elements were bold and unmistakable, reflecting the optimism of the 1950s. This car was more than just transportation, it was a statement of personal style and status. Even today, the Bel Air stands as a symbol of a golden era in American automotive history, with its design influencing generations of cars that followed. As we close our journey through the 1955 Chevy Bel Air, it's clear why this car remains one of the most beloved classics of all time. Its blend of style, performance, and innovation captured the imagination of a generation and continues to do so today. For collectors and enthusiasts alike, the Bel Air represents the height of 1950s automotive design, a perfect example of form meeting function in an unforgettable package. Thank you for joining us on this look back at a true icon. The 1955 Chevy Bel Air, a car that defined an era.